Creating narrated videos in Descript is a game changer if you're looking to simplify the process of video editing while producing high-quality content. Whether you're a digital marketer, YouTuber, or content creator, Descript allows you to create, edit, and narrate videos in a way that's incredibly intuitive. By the end of this quick guide, you'll know exactly how to create narrated videos in Descript and will be able to leverage this software to boost your productivity and content creation process. First, you'll need to start by uploading your video to Descript. Simply click New Project and drag your video file into the interface. Descript automatically transcribes your video, which gives you a script that you can edit like text. It's like magic. Just like editing a document, you can make changes and the video will automatically adjust to reflect them. This makes it incredibly easy to make quick edits without needing to deal with complicated timelines or manual video trimming. Once the transcription is done, you'll have a fully transcribed script of your video. This is where Descript really shines. It offers a feature called overdub. If you need to add narration or change a word or phrase, simply type it out in the script and Descript will generate the voiceover for you, matching your original voice. It's fast and super accurate, saving you hours of re-recording. For adding new narration or replacing existing audio, Descript's overdub is as simple as typing. If you find that you need to improve the flow of your video or make it sound more cohesive, just edit the text. Descript will sync your new voiceover perfectly with the video, ensuring that the narration fits naturally. You can also tweak the audio for tone, speed, and even pacing, giving you complete control over the final product. After creating your narration, you can refine your video using Descript's powerful editing tools. The multi-track feature is a huge help here. It allows you to manage multiple layers of audio and video, ensuring that your voiceover syncs properly with background music, sound effects, or any additional visuals you add. This is perfect for creating polished videos without needing to worry about complex audio editing programs. You can also use Descript's screen recording feature if you want to make tutorials or other types of educational videos. Simply hit the record button, narrate as you go through your presentation, and Descript will handle everything from transcription to editing. It's a one-stop shop for content creation. As you finish your narration and editing, Descript makes exporting easy. You can render your video with a few clicks, choosing from different formats depending on where you plan to upload it. This makes it perfect for YouTube, social media, or even client projects. By now, you should have a strong understanding of how to create narrated videos in Descript, and you can immediately start implementing these steps into your workflow. You can even try this software for completely free, and we've partnered with Descript to offer you an exclusive extended free trial that you won't find anywhere else. Just click the first link in the description below. With Descript, you'll find creating narrated videos is faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Whether you're doing a quick voiceover for a YouTube video or need a fully narrated presentation for business, this tool is incredibly versatile. Start creating your narrated videos today and experience how Descript can transform your content creation process.